This 93-year-old Padma Shri principal Kartar Singh has been rendering Gurmat Sangeet or holy hymn for the last 60 years with all his dedication. The principal has received many accolades including Tagore Ratna Award, Bharatiya Sahitya Akademi Award and so on. He was also honoured with the Padma Shri Award in recognition of his contribution to holy music. Though at the fag end of his life, Singh is perfectly healthy, braving all old age-related issues. Even today, his finger weaves ragas which leaves listeners and devotees enthralled.
People living in the village did not know music at all, but with God's blessing, I set my foot in the world of music. I taught at Guru Nanak Girls College for 26-27 years. I also taught music. I had learned Gurbani as a student.
The principal has written 5 books on Indian music, of which more than 42,000 copies have been published and sold so far. He has published 7 editions of one of his books. An entire room in the house of Principal Kartar Singh is full of honours, certificates and accolades.
The book has become so popular among the Sangats that till date, at least 7 editions of that book have been published. I received the Academic Award from then President of India Pratibha Patil in New Delhi in 2009. I was the only one from Punjab at that time who had received the award from the President.
Although Principal Kartar Singh is world famous for his personality, his innate nature has left a unique mark in the world of art and music. He continues to humbly serve not only Gurmat music but also encourages others to adopt and imbibe the values of music. Despite having received great respect, he lacks arrogance. He remains down to earth even now.
There are 2 honours for art and culture, Academy Award and Ratna Award. In 2012, the Government of India had to pick 50 people on the occasion of Rabindranath Tagore's 150th birth anniversary who were to receive the Ratna Award. I had 5 books published and trained many students in Gurumat, due to which I got this award.
Amarjeet Kaur, daughter-in-law of Principal Kartar Singh, said that despite his old age, he is still fully active and has a deep attachment to music.
Principal Kartar Singh is 93 years old. He is very active even at this age. He has a very good relationship with the whole family. He teaches his children very well to make life successful. It is a matter of pride for me that I am his daughter-in-law. He has earned so much respect in this life. He has now been honoured with the Padma Shri Award. We are very happy.
Kartar Singh, the principal, so rich in knowledge of music, has imparted music training to hundreds of students who are not only Ragis at Sri Harmandir Sahib but are also spreading Gurmat knowledge across the country and abroad after acquiring Gurmat knowledge. He said that he was proud of all the students he has trained in music and would continue this practice as long as he is alive. Bureau Report, ETV Bharat.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.